But I do like to start our tour in front of Notre Dame. You just have this incredible view.
That picture beautiful. Yeah. Enjoy it. It's like
Oh, here it is.
Many penises. Yeah. Sephora's closed, so I'm happy.
How far from here?
2 minutes.
يا أمورينو
Yeah, I wouldn't be opposed getting like a small, like a sandwich here. Like after our tour. Like, so we can eat it tomorrow. Yeah.
But I do like to start our tour in front of Notre Dame. You have this incredible view, perfectly lit at the start of the night. Notre Dame is the most famous of the churches in the city. It's also one of its oldest. Construction began in the year 1163, so the church is over 860 years old. It took a long time to build, about 200 years. As you can imagine, it was a lot of hard work. Every stone you see quarried in this nearby region, brought here, carved by hand, lifted into place using quite primitive pulley systems. They are luckier today to have the cranes working on. touches and clean as well. But they have to clean fairly frequently. The front facade you see was cleaned in 2011, I think it was. So yeah, they have to keep up with it. But you'll see scaffolding all over the city, and that's because every private building has to be professionally cleaned every 10 years. Here we are behind Notre Dame. The view's not that great. It doesn't matter though. My next door for you has nothing to do with Notre Dame. Has everything to do with this bit of land across the street. You can see that fence there today. On the other side of that fence is a small park and a memorial related to the Holocaust. But many years ago, that was another site associated with death. That was once the location of Paris's morgue, where they took the city's dead bodies. Fascinating. This is if you want to see the head as it is in the museum.
Oh my god.
Just a severed, dried up head.
And that's his head.
Yeah, that's the head of those. Sorry, can you guys see it?
What museum is
The Museum of Death in Los Angeles. It's on brand. Severed heads. How many of you have heard of the story or the name Sweeney Todd before? Yeah, pretty popular. Demon Barber, Fleet Street, set in London. We're in Paris though, so why am I bringing it up? The reason many historians believe the true inspiration for that story took place in Paris, and it all took place right in this street. Rue Chanoinesse, the street we're on today, it is safe and quiet. But in the year 1386, it was different.
what area is this that we're in?
So this is Ile de la Cité, so the island.
Oh, okay.
So we started on the left bank, the Latin Quarter, and we'll end on the right bank in
Okay.
Châtelet. So we're kind of wandering all through the heart here. Yeah, this is that restaurant. Look upstairs as well. Beautiful red fabric ceiling, super charming little place.
And what happens here?
It's just Instagrammable. That's why we stop. Honestly, here I can even shine the lights. If you come out in the spring, this is covered with purple flowers. It's really beautiful. But the building itself does date back to there for the rich. The square is a lot nicer today. There's no more executions. It's concerts, protests, Christmas market in December. Last year was a fan zone for the Olympics. This summer was beach volleyball. And last Monday was the L'Oreal fashion show for fashion. So
yeah.
nicer these days. But we'll continue to our next major stop, though. To the left, there's a building with a tower. It's a few minutes walk. We'll get up close and we'll talk about the revolution and guillotine. Paris, you're going to talk about the guillotine, right?
I don't think the boats are around now.
Still, I think the day is nicer.
Yeah.
A few, but according to the Olympic Committee, they use the term statistically insignificant. I'm not sure the. Quite far down.
Yeah.
And even they have issues sometimes when in the winter there's always flooding. And they used to have to take close to the flood in the basement storage, and the flooding will flow bases so they bring it to the main gallery. So yeah, that's like right on the water table there. Makes you appreciate our modernism, because in the past everything's done. You know, even you think of Versailles being this beautiful palace. They didn't have bathrooms. There were no toilets, so people just relieved themselves in the corner during parties. Went on the staircase and would just walk. The French had to lift. In their big, thick outfits, they would become so completely soaked in sweat.